Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Selle. I think you're going to enjoy today's video because it is fridge organization. You seem to really like my refrigerator organization videos, so I am bringing you another one. We did bought a brand new small fridge for our back patio so that when we have people coming over, we have enough space for all the cold drinks because they tend to take over our whole fridge inside the house and it gets chaotic, so my husband and I decided to get a very basic small fridge to basically use as a beverage cooler, and we can use the freezer for barbecue frozen items since the grill is already out here anyway. I am just going to give this fridge a quick wiping with my water vinegar mix. It is not dirty at all since it's new, but I want to quickly just sanitize it with my DIY solution because that's what makes me feel better. I don't know if anybody touched this or where this fridge has been, so I'd rather be safe. Like I said, this fridge is pretty much going to be filled with beverages, so don't be surprised if it looks a bit empty. I have all the rest of our food in the fridge inside, which I am going to organize next. So if you like this video and want to see more from me, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, letting me know that you enjoy this kind of content and I will continue to do more. If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. I upload new video every single week about realistic cleaning motivation, satisfying home organization, and a little bit of mom life. I would really love it if you subscribe to my channel and join my YouTube family for more videos like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning in today's video. I truly appreciate all your love and support. I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your chore or own mess at home. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up as it helps my channel. Comment down below and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, it's totally free, and turn the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate you and your time spent with me, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!